Here's problem 6 from the 2014 AMC 8. 6 rectangles each have a common base width of 2, and their lengths are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. What is the sum of the areas of the 6 rectangles? The choices are A. 91, B. 93, C. 162, D. 182, E. 202. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's picture the 6 rectangles as bars. Every bar has the same base width of 2, but the lengths grow. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. The area of a rectangle is base times length. Since every base is 2, each area is just 2 times its length. So the total area is 2 times the sum of all the lengths. First, let's add up the lengths. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 equals 91. Now multiply by the base width of 2. 2 times 91 equals 182. So the sum of the areas is 182, which is choice D.